Who you playing?
Monsieur, sir?
What?
Monsieur? Pull up your sleeve.
What is going on with you two?
Pull up your sleeve, Monsieur.
What?
No.
Well, who
No.
you want to play now?
So yeah, you can pull up your sleeve, Monsieur.
Who you want to play now?
Pull up your sleeve, Monsieur.
Hide, close it on, hide.
No. If it end here, I'm going to buy you. Oh.
Who you want to play now?
Come. Good.
I thought you was living home by me, what I'm saying now.
Living home by you?
I can't show this stuff home, eh?
We'll go after. No, yeah, we're not my
You sleep with me and sleep in here to watch. You understand? You're so nasty and disgusting. You come and break up me and Ann, right? Telling me you want to be with me and then what? You're using he too? For what? How long are you done with he? Are you on something now?
So it's over here, that's going on, right?
More than that.
Nice.
Sorry, freaking shit.
Okay.
Disgusting.
Let me see your wrist.
Why you want to...
Let me see your wrist.
videotaping me?
Let me see your wrist.
Why you videotaping me?
Let me see your wrist. You must show you the picture of your wrist I have from this morning.
Why you videotaping me?
Let me see
Close
your
the door
wrist.
and go and hide.
Yeah, go ahead. You feel like you can hide from wrist?
Disgusting.
Huh?
You
What's all
was
over?
going through any controversy at all?
Small thing, but and this is over here now, right?
Yeah.
Right. That's
No,
that.
no, I thought we
And wait, so that is the excuse?
Okay, no.